Alright, welcome back everyone. As you can see, we're about to go pick up the vehicle at Adesa. And instead of driving over there, I like to take my scooter, not all the way to Adesa, but to the train station, back and forth. It saves me a lot of money in Ubers, and also I can't take my vehicle because I need to come back in the vehicle. As you can see, we are on our way now to the Jamaica station, which is the closest one for me. And here's a little bit of a view of Queens, New York. And if you would like to purchase the scooter, I'll have a link in the description below. It's definitely going to save you some money if you were to purchase something similar to this. Alright guys, we just arrived. We found the vehicle, we got our pass, there's our scooter. Now, of course, she's dead. Let's slap on the battery. And let's hope that she's in the same condition that we left her at. All right, let's give her a shot. There we go. Oh man, we're seeing new lights. I don't remember seeing an ABS light. Hopefully that'll go away. We'll give that a shot in a second. The engine is sounding great. Let's turn this baby off. Oh, I gotta start heading back to Queens. So we're back, guys. Now to take a better look at the vehicle. This is the next day. Yeah, I see that it needs to be pushed in. I'll get my body guy just to do something simple to it maybe. Yeah, the bumpers are just really, it looks, I can see glue on it. But like I said, this is a beater. The big problem that I'm having right now is this. It won't close. So I'm gonna take it to my mechanic and see if they can fix it. But the tires look great. The car works well. Just need little simple little things, which I gotta pump into the trunk. I'm telling you, this baby pays for itself, man. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, I got my book bag in the back. In case I need a booster, I'm gonna test it out now and see. Hopefully it might not need that boost. I'm hoping. How you doing? Alright, let's take a look, guys. Oh damn. Looks like we're gonna need a boost. I think we might need a new battery too. Alright, let's give it a shot. There you go. Okay, so we're off to the mechanics. We're gonna give it an oil change and see if we can fix that latch problem on the hood. When I brought the vehicle over, I was going at 40 miles an hour on the expressway, on the LIE. Usually I would be going around 65, 70 on the HOV lane. So in other words, it took me almost double the time to get home. Alright guys, this is how it looks now after I've picked it up from the detail. Not too bad. I did clean up a lot of the swirls. There's a couple of imperfections that I know that the car has. I'm gonna have to explain it to the new buyer. But as you can see, we're ready to go to sale. I already did an oil change to it. I also changed the battery. Now, when I went and did the new battery and did the oil change, the mechanics told me this car actually has a brand new radiator, new motor mounts, which are there and over there. I don't know if you can see them. The car has already been tuned up. These are all brand new spark plugs and all. So the previous, and new belts by the way, see? the previous owner did a really great job with the car. And of course I'm going to say all of that to make the sale so that the person can buy the vehicle. I'll be right back. Alright, here it is. I always keep it parked by the McDonald's around my area because this is a 24-hour area of McDonald's. One thing I do tell you guys is keep your phone off in the middle of the night because these guys will call you 3-4 o'clock in the morning when they have the munchies. Alright guys, so now we're getting to the end of the video where actually I show you my secrets of how I sell my vehicle. And it's literally Facebook. Facebook is a gold mine, believe it or not. But it's not just posting it regularly. You would have to do the boosting, which I'll show you in a few seconds right now. I sold the vehicle. Sorry for the long delay on the video. It's just that it's Christmas along and I have a couple of other vehicles that I was selling, and it took me a while for me to get all this video up and running. Just really busy. As you can see, it sold 2 weeks ago literally. It took me no more than 5 days to sell this vehicle, and I could have sold it sooner. It's just, again, my timing with everything, with my kids. I have 3 kids. Being a dad and also doing all of this is not all that easy, and plus a day job. But as you can see, I listed it for $17.99. Now let's click on it so I can show you the pictures that I've taken. Always take the pictures with your phone facing up, not sideways as people usually do when they're taking pictures, because now more people nowadays, they're buying vehicles online through their phone. So if you do that, the images come out so much better and bigger. So I'll just take a few shots and show you the good angles that I've taken. Alright. Okay, so then over here I also displayed that it's driven 134,000 miles, automatic transmission and all. The vehicle is in excellent running condition. You have to note these so that people can see all of this and they don't ask you so many questions. I have literally over 50 messages from people sending me questions that are all here already, but you know, you can't control everyone. As you can see, all the stuff that I stated there, and then I put $1,799 negotiable. I've got so many people calling me for this. I was not budging much. If anything, I was gonna budge $100, and then I had 3 people call me and wanted to meet me on a Friday, and they were all dying for this car. I literally said all of them to be there at the same exact time. So when they went to go see the vehicle, all 3 of them were there. And then I did promise one younger guy first because he has been messaging me for a good while. Let's see if I can actually get to the messages. Here we go. As you can see, all of this, over 50 messages. And I'll get to the. So I literally sold it to this guy right over here. His name is UK Butter, but he was there and he had the cash, and he literally said, "Listen, I'll give you the full $17.99. I just wanted to drive it. I want to see if everything's exactly that you stated." As once we finished and he test drove it, the other 2 people were there, and they were literally going to go to war on pricing. The guy said, "Listen, I'll give you the $17.99. I got my full $1,800 for it," and the other guys were even thinking about overbidding for it. But I already promised this guy, so I'm not gonna go back on my word on that. So, like I was saying, the best thing to do is always use Facebook Marketplace. It is like the place to go to. A lot of people list vehicles here, and they don't get as many calls. But the thing is that you need to do what is called boosting. Here we go. So when you make your ad, it doesn't give you the option to boost, not right away. Once you set it up, it's going to go into the public and all, and then you're going to get an email from Facebook stating if you would like to boost your ad. And they have some options. They have a $3, they have a $1, $2, $3, and I always go for the max of $5 a day. And as you can see, it reached 6,300 people. Messages, because they charge you per message. This is a thing. It's 29 charged messages, which means that 29 people of them promoting it reacted to the promotion, so you would have to pay for that, and it's not much. It's 35 cents per conversation, which is nothing. And as you can see all of the placements where it was placed, mostly mobile. As like I told you, the majority of the people that are looking at this are on mobile. Over 5,600 views on it. Not meaning that they clicked it, but it means that they viewed it there. And then on Facebook, mobile devices again, 1,060 for searching it. Actual title, probably they were just looking for a Honda Accord, and it just came up on that. You can see the audience details. They're from the ages of 18 to 65. I think there's a better way of seeing that. Locations all from, a lot from the New Jersey, New York, Connecticut. So it sticks within the tri-state area. And, oh yeah, here we go. Here's the age grams. And then I spent a total of $10.16. That's incredible. You're paying $10.16 to promote a vehicle, and that's me putting it at $5 a day, so that I can get the most reach. As you can see right here, my budget was $5 a day, and it was for 3 days. It's incredible. It's incredible. So this is my little trick right here. And again, I sold the vehicle for $17.99. All right, so we sold the vehicle for $1,800 minus the total $689. We made a grand total of $1,111. Well, minus, I would say, the $10 from Facebook. So let's say $1,100. Not bad in my book. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing me doing more flips. Again, I have other vehicles, but I haven't documented it the way I documented this one. But from now on, I'm going to start doing that. I did buy a couple of other cars, but I haven't uploaded that video just yet. Just to show you how I did it from the beginning all the way to the end. All right, thank you so much again, guys. Hope to see you soon.